Well, hello model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Raul. And this I want to show you, and I'm very happy to see this package. I was not sure I was going to see this at all. Nothing I can do about it. But when it showed up today, I was extremely relieved. This is from Russia. Okay, and following world events, if you're following along, I'm sure everybody, because it's all over the news, with the invasion and the war going on, economies and things are greatly affected, and this is affecting the modeling community as well. But this is something I pre-ordered back in actually the end of December, and January it was supposed to ship, and then with COVID there was they were quarantined and this didn't get out. So I got notified this shipped February 11th, and this is from Fugu Garage. Matter of fact, on my channel, I'm building this one, the GT500. This is the other kit. I pre-ordered this kit, and I'm glad I did. Like I mentioned with resin and some of these kits, you never know what's going to happen. And it's the same thing with this kit. These guys as well. This is from Ukraine. This is from Russia. So Fugu Garage is in Russia. So knowing that this had shipped, and not knowing if it made it out of the country before all of this happened, but I'm going to open this up and we'll get a peek inside. But before I get that far, I just wanted to say much love to everybody in the modeling community. I'm sorry this is affecting everybody on a global scale, and I'm praying for you guys that everybody comes out of this okay, and that it doesn't escalate any worse than it could possibly be. I know the guys in Ukraine, the USCP, they posted on Facebook that they're sorry. They don't know if their order didn't get out. Even if it was shipped into the post office in Ukraine, the post office shut down. So if it didn't make it out of the country, they have no idea what's going on or where the product is, and they're sorry. But that's kind of like, they want to get back to their love and everything. And great, but unfortunately a lot of them are leaving the country or they're fighting. So much love to you guys. And Fugu Garage, they're in Russia. They've also been on Facebook saying, look, we want a peaceful resolution to this. We really don't want to be involved. It's their government. It's they're not necessarily supporting it, and you kind of see that in the news, even soldiers abandoning, but it's all in the news. But even they said they're sorry. They don't know what's going on, what the future holds, if they'll be back, and anything. And there's nothing I can do. This thing shipped, whether our country here in the United States decided to quarantine this or just seize this for expansion, if it made it out of the country. So I'm glad to see it, and I had no idea if it was going to make it. And nothing I can do about it because I can't ask for my money back. The banks aren't talking to each other. All of that is gone. Plus, the foreign exchange, the money exchanges, it's just crazy. So it's one of those, I had no idea this was going to show up, or even how many they were able to make and get out. So with everything that's going on, it's just hard to say, and it's just another thing to say, when it's available in resin, order it, because you never know what's going to happen. And this is another true case of who knows what's going to happen and what you're going to see. But and they packaged it really well. They did that with my last one, but there it is, the Shelby Super Snake for 2020. So this is the companion kit to this. And I know they had mentioned they wanted to do a Shelby GT350 as well, and I'd love to see that. But I hope everybody makes it through this, and we can get back to modeling and everything that's going on, and everybody can get back to their families, and the damage from all of this is minimized, and hopefully not too many families displaced or lost families in all of this. But anyway, that's kind of enough of that. But I just wanted to share that we're all going to be affected, whether you're into this stuff or not. But who knows what the future holds for these guys. I really feel for you guys, and much love to you. Okay, so just praying for everybody that doesn't want to be involved in a nice peaceful resolution to all of this. But So I'll leave it with that. So okay, after that, I'll do a separate video of the contents on this at a later date on what is included in this kit. And you've seen this one on my channel, and I've reviewed the contents of this kit previously, so you could see this one on my kit, you could see that. But with what's going on, if you don't already have these, who knows when they'll be back out or if they'll be back out. So again, praying for everybody, and you guys, I kind of flabbergasted. I'm just, I'm glad, selfishly that I got this, but in the big picture, it just, in the big picture, it's just one of those things where, yeah, I got it, and I hope everybody comes out okay. So thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and all your comments. I really appreciate it, and I hope everybody's praying. I'm sure many of you are, and we've got a lot of friends all around the world in this hobby and community. So it's weird to think that some of these kits come from all over the place, all around the world, and this modeling unites all of us. And like even some of my comments come from different countries and are translated. So thank you for tuning in and subscribing, and all your comments. I really appreciate it, and I'm just praying for you guys, for everybody in this. So thank you, and you guys, you have a wonderful weekend.